going on, guys? ZX-10 Griff here, and we're going to be doing an install video here for an anti-gravity battery. Shout out to Antigravity for hooking me up and sending me out a battery. I'm going to go ahead and get this install in and walk you guys through the process. But first, we're going to start off with a cold start, and that way you guys can see just about how long it takes for it to start up, crank up, however you want to word it. And then we'll do a little bit of comparison afterwards to see what's what and what. Alright guys, we'll go ahead and walk through this process and get it going. But in a comparison of the battery, I forget about how much lighter this is. There's two different versions you can get. You can get the heavier duty one and just a regular anti-gravity battery. However, whatever strange reason I got the do I need a heavy duty one? More than likely not, but I have it. The difference between the heavy duty and the regular one is going to be I don't know the exact, but I will leave the specs in. Nevertheless, I'll add it on the screen somewhere, and that way you guys can see it. But it's the battery right here, guys. Go ahead and get her out real quick before we get going with taking the bike apart. Pretty light. The other version is a bit lighter. Not sure exactly, but I'll leave the specs up whenever I put it I don't have a scale to weigh the differences between the batteries, but again, I'll link from the stock battery, the OEM to the regular anti-gravity battery, and then the HD, which the HD is the one that I chose to go ahead with. All right, take this bad boy off. Voila. All right, I believe we're ready to disengage or dislodge the battery. This one is quite heavy. All right. So this, I believe I am not going to keep because I don't feel like I necessarily need it. What do you think, guys? Keep it or don't keep it? Keep it or don't keep it? I think I'm not going to keep it. I am not going to keep it. However, oh, thought I had a cutter somewhere around here. Need to get more organized with my tools. Not gonna cut it. Get it? Not gonna cut it. Let's see if I can do this. All right, should be able to. All right, go ahead and go with that boy. I will keep it. Reach this side. On the way. Set it out. Then right here. Voila. All right, let's get her on in. Gonna make sure she's hunkered down. All right. Gonna connect this positive first, guys. Positive, because you don't want to be negative. It is hot out here, guys. All right. Now time to get this negative on. I'm dripping sweat. Don't you wish you can take the AC outside with you, I bet. See if I didn't break the bike.
Yay!
That's a great install. Again, shout out to Antigravity. They're the GOATs. I do not have a discount code. However, make sure you guys check them out. Get you one of those batteries, much more lighter. And guys, stay tuned. More install videos on the way. Other than that, you guys have a blessed one. Stay safe. Peace.